What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. So in this video, I am going to review a recently launched fragrance from the house of Afnan. And here I'm talking about 9pm ELIXIR. And when we talk about Afnan, I can tell you that Afnan is one of the best Middle Eastern perfume houses that offers great products with amazing price tag. So the same thing goes here. The quality, blending, everything of this product is just wow. To be very fair, I was not expecting much from this fragrance because I heard people saying that this is a clone, or you can say an inspired version of Jean Paul Gaultier's Le Male Elixir Absolute. So I was like, it will be another twist on that same DNA. But trust me guys, once I smelled this perfume, I was literally blown away. This one smells so good, and this is something wow. So let's start the review, and as always we'll start with the presentation first, and then I'm going to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So let's start with the presentation. So you will get this perfume in this beautiful box. The box is very similar to their 9pm Rebel box. The original packaging of 9pm series was used to be like this. It comes in this simple paper box, but from last year they have improved their packaging, and now these fragrances are coming in these beautiful solid boxes. So you will get this perfume in this very nice solid box with the name of the perfume, 9pm Afnan, the logo of Afnan on the top here in the corner, a lot of ingredient details, batch code, manufacturing date here in the back. And once you open the box, it opens very smoothly like a box of iPhone. And then you will get your beautiful bottle here in this nice cutout. And let me show you the bottle now. And one more good thing about the box is that you will find all the notes breakdown here in the back. And the bottle once again looks very similar to the 9pm bottles. The only difference here is the color, and they have printed these line patterns here on the back of the bottle and here in the front of the bottle. So this is the only difference here. So you will get this perfume in this beautiful, sturdy, nice polished bottle, and the cap here is made of metal and it's very heavy. Literally guys, you can use this cap in a fight as a weapon, and you can see the name of Afnan engraved here and filled with that brown ink. So this is about the presentation. And now let's talk about the fragrance. Let me give you the notes breakdown first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So as per official notes breakdown, in the top you will get nutmeg, elemi and cardamom. And then in the mid you will get pimento, lavendin, which is lavenders, and then leather. And then in the base you'll get cyst, labdanum, patchouli and vanilla. Cyst or cyste, I don't know. It's actually, I think, citruses. But maybe in Italian or French they call it cyst or cyste, whatever. So this is the notes breakdown, and now let's see that how this perfume actually smells. So here in this perfume you will get roasted vanilla in the opening. It's warm, it's cozy, it's soft and powdery. And then you will get some spices here. I can smell some green cardamom here. I can smell that sharp spicy nutmeg here. It's a little bit minty. And then you will get a note of plum in a very nice way. And finally, some soft leather in the base. And then you will also get some lavenders, you know, in the middle somewhere. They will give you that floral and powdery kind of nuances there. And then towards the second phase, plum becomes a little bit more prominent. It will become a little bit more sweet, a little bit more fruity. And then in the final dry down, it becomes a little bit dry, and you will get some like dry, woody kind of dry down here in this perfume. The main structure will be there from start till end, that soft vanilla and some sweet plum. But in the final dry down, which comes after many hours, that's the time when it becomes a very dry, powdery kind of fragrance. So this is the whole journey of this perfume, and the more you wear this perfume, the more it's going to develop on you, the more you will discover it. In second or third wearing, you will start to get that beautiful booziness here. You will start to pick those lavenders and a lot of other things. So this was about the fragrance. And now let's talk about the inspiration behind this perfume. So as per Fragrantica, I saw a lot of people saying this is something very similar to Jean Paul Gaultier's Le Male Elixir Absolute. In my opinion, I can say that they have used that same DNA, but they have twisted it a lot. Still in the same realm, but this one got a lot more to offer, a lot more things to play with. So an upgraded version of Le Male Elixir Absolute. And just to make you understand, if you mix these three fragrances, the first one, Modhish, which is an alternative of Jean Paul Gaultier's Le Male Elixir. If you mix this with Teriyaki Intense from the house of Latafa. So from Modhish, you will get that vanilla, you will get that mint. From Teriyaki, you will get that plums, and you will get that DNA of Khamra or Angel's Share. And then if you add little bit of the original 9pm, which is going to give you those lavenders and that sweetness, you will get something very similar to 9pm Elixir. Still, this is going to be much better. This is just to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So this was about 9pm Elixir, a solid offering from the house of Afnan. I really loved it. So if you are looking for something amazing for this coming winters, try this one, 9pm Elixir from the house of Afnan. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So let's talk about performance. Performance wise, 10 on 10. This is a beast kind of perfume, and this is going to stay for a very long time. Even on my skin, this perfume gave me like 8 to 9 hours of longevity. Even in the 9th hour, I was able to smell that beautiful light whiffs of this perfume from my skin, from my forearms here, with one spray. So performance is beast, projection, silage, everything is great here. For the gender, totally unisex scent. Ladies or gents, anyone can use it without any issue. If we talk about age, you should be around the age of 20-22 plus to use these kind of fragrances. And if we talk about the season or weather, for the best experience, use this perfume in cold weather. If you are staying indoors with air-conditioned environment, then definitely you can also use it in summers. Or if the temperature is under 30 degrees centigrade or under 25 degrees centigrade, you can rock it. And now let's talk about the occasion. So you can use this perfume in any kind of scenario, especially for your corporate meetings, for your office, for your night out, for clubbing, if you are going for a party, if you are going for a pub, if you're going on a date. So this perfume will work like a magic. Not a good option for your sports activities or for your gym, but other than that, you can use this perfume whenever you want, wherever you want. And now let's talk about the main thing, the price. So you will get this perfume with this beautiful presentation, 100 ml quantity with Perfume intense concentration. Though the concentration percentage is 80%, but this thing is literally strong. So they have called it Perfume intense. So with this beautiful presentation, 100 ml juice of amazing quality, high grade product, and the current price of this perfume inside UAE is 120 UAE dirhams, same as 9pm Rebel or the other fragrances from the 9pm lineup. So for 120 UAE dirhams, this is literally a banger, something just wow, something great to try. So if you are looking for something amazing for your coming winters, do check it out. So this was my review about 9pm ELIXIR. I hope you liked it. I'm going to catch you in my another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and